Welcome everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to add subtitles in VLC Media Player. Open the video in VLC.
An education for you. Come along.
Go to the Subtitles tab and click Add Subtitle File. Select the subtitle file.
You're not at all like the other soldiers.
Thank you.
To load subtitles automatically for a video, place them in the same folder. Ensure that the names of both the video and subtitle file are the same. Now, by opening the video file, VLC will automatically load the related subtitle file.
I free this poor creature.
I forbid it. Forget you, Esmeralda.
Come with me.
VLC gives you options to turn on or off the display of subtitles. To change the subtitles languages, go to Subtitles, point over to Sub track, and select the preferred subs.